Hello everybody, welcome sa ating bagong series sa ating DBS sessions. And over the next 7 weeks, we'll be having a series on the one-to-one personal discipleship guide. And this is a 7-part lesson which was written as a guide for personal follow-up evangelism. And it is been available to people all around the world. In fact, they even created yung app which is you can be used in 20 different languages all over the world. So it's really exciting na magkaroon tayo ng opportunity. Ngayon, I would suggest you download the app and I'll give you details kung paano gawin yun. Or you could just use the PDF file na share ko na dun sa ating WhatsApp group chat. Okay? Let's move on to the slides. Now, kung yung PDF ang gagamitin, ganyan ang itsura. It will be just like a form which you could download sa inyong phone. Or kung gusto nyo na may paper copy kayo, print it out. There's the right start, getting started, and 7 sessions. When you do meet up with your DBS group, at least read these 2 sections, the right start and getting started, before you move on to the first part ng ating mga session. Okay? Um, if you really want to make the most out of this, you download the app, and that's the link for you to download the app. It's free, so you could easily make use of it and put it on your phone para hindi na kayo kailangan maghanap sa WhatsApp o saan na ba yun, nasa na ba yung PDF na yun, diba? Pero at least kung meron kayong app, it's right there in your phone. Click it on the phone and you could see the material straight away. So subflash.com/everynation -tn/app. But the link is already in your WhatsApp group chat, so just find it there, okay? And as I said, this app has been widely used all around the world at may iba-ibang version. Merong English, tapos may English na 12 lessons. We won't use the 12 lessons, yung 7 lessons na gagawin natin kasi masyadong mahaba yung 12. Meron pang ang version para sa mga kabataan, age 10 and above. And interestingly, yung president kasi ng grupo nito, All Nations, was based in Manila, Philippines. So that's why meron tayong Filipino version, Philippines. Okay. So it's another interesting way to use this. It's up to you sa DBS group nyo kung gagamitin yung English version or yung Filipino version. Whatever suits your fancy. Okay? And as I said, this is a 7-part series. And those are the topics laid out sa 7-part ng lessons. As I said, start off with the right start and getting started sections before you meet your DBS group. Obviously, as you meet your DBS group, read the material for that session. So the first session is about salvation. Maikli lang to, 4 or 5 pages kung PDF kayong gagamitin. And it's really interesting because you don't have to memorize everything. The Bible verses are in there as well. So it's really exciting for us to go into this material together. I hope you will make the most out of it, and I really pray that God will use this opportunity to learn more about His plan and His purposes for you and our lives. God bless you. Bye.